Good day and welcome back to YG Talks Money, your trusted home of online money making tips and updates. Today, I want to teach you how to know or how to check the status of validity of your coupon code. Now, for those that are just hearing about Anchor for the freshmen, you might be wondering or thinking, what is a coupon code? A coupon code is a specific set of letters and numbers that is assigned to every user to complete their registration on the Anchor platform. Assuming now that you understand what I'm saying and you want to register someone, I've talked about how to register in the previous video. You will get to a section that requires inputting your coupon code. Why I'm making this video is because I've encountered certain situations where I give downlines some coupon codes, and the feedback I'm getting from them is my coupon code is invalid, my coupon code can't be used, and certain different kind of occurrences. So all I do advise is the moment I give you your coupon code, the first thing you should do is not even trying to register. You should check the validity of your coupon codes. Ends this video. So this is the question: how do I check the status of my coupon code? Come down to menu. It is located at the bottom left of your screen. Click on menu. After you click on menu, you see interfaces on your screen. Click on home. Once you click on home, it redirects you to another portal. I know some of you that have been using Anchor might have not seen this portal before, and that's because you don't know. So when you get to this portal, on the top right of your screen you see 3 slashes. Click on it and it directs you down to another interface again. Click on coupon checker. Now when you click on coupon checker, it will direct you to entering your coupon and checking the status of your coupon code. I want you to follow very closely while I show you the obvious differences between a used coupon and an unused one. If you look at this coupon, in the first instance, it hasn't been used. Type Anchor Pro, status active, coupon user none, coupon user number none, user referral none. Unlike now that this same coupon has been used, you can see status has been changed from active to used. Coupon user number, and user referral are all very visible for us to see. So this is the basic difference between a used and an unused coupon code. In the case where you got a code from your upline or your vendor and you tried registering and you see status active, and you can boldly see the referral's name, the referral user, and every details on the coupon, this is a red flag. It definitely means that the coupon has been used, and this is actually what you should watch for when you are trying to register. Do not rush to register. All you need to do first is confirm or check the validity or status of your coupon code. I hope this video has been able to teach you how to check the status of your coupon immediately you receive this from your vendor or from your upline, whichever the case may be. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye bye.